During the COVID-19 crisis, many families are feeling stress and facing new challenges. From losing jobs to children learning virtually and having everyone home together, families are experiencing a lot of uncertainty and stress. High levels of stress can sometimes lead people to react in anger towards those they love. It's not hard to imagine that since children are home all the time, they might be experiencing domestic violence more often than usual. This has an impact on children, which can cause them to feel even more afraid and unsure.
Far more children than we realize experience domestic violence in their homes. Children who live with domestic violence can face a lot of challenges because of what happens in their families. A child might not always see the violence, but they can feel the control, anger, and scary emotions in other ways. Here's what else we know. The younger a child is, the more dangerous the effects of domestic violence are on that child. You might think an infant sleeping in a crib is unaware of what is happening, but domestic violence might interfere with their ability to learn and grow.
In fact, the impact of domestic violence can follow children for a lifetime. Children who live through domestic violence are more likely than other kids to be abused or neglected or have a parent who has a mental health concern or who misuses alcohol or drugs. They are also more likely to have mental health issues of their own, and they are more likely to use substances as they grow. You may see this play out in the classroom when children can't pay attention or they act out, or perhaps on the sports field when they put too much pressure on themselves to perform. Remember, a child's behavior is often a result of what they are going through. They may not be living with domestic violence, but we don't know what's happening until we ask how we can help.
Every one of us can step up to help a child have a better future. Just one caring, safe adult in a child's life makes it more likely that a child will do well in school, learn how to solve problems without violence, and feel they have a safe place to turn. A child's chances at success only increases as the circle of supportive adults around them grows.
Whether you are a coach, a scout troop leader, a daycare provider, a friend, or someone from their house of worship, if you are concerned about a child who might be living with domestic violence, tell them you are listening. Let a child know you value them for who they are and not just what they can do. If conflicts arise, teach youth how to solve them without violence or anger. By helping children have experiences where they learn to approach problems differently, you can have a powerful impact in their lives.
If you would like more information about how you can help a child or family, please call Fairfax County's Domestic and Sexual Violence 24-hour hotline. Help is available for anyone experiencing domestic violence or for those who want to find ways to support friends or loved ones. All calls are free and confidential, and callers can remain anonymous.